guys, Kate Swanson here, and I am going to show you today our new elephant twist tie set along with our twist tie cards and envelopes pack. So this has all the cardstock to make these cute little intertwined images that'll wrap their little trunks around each other so that you can have a little hug inside of your card. So for our card and envelope packs, these are basically a tri-fold card, but it's a gatefold, and it's a little bit overlapped, as you can see. So if you wanted to create your own card base at home, this is going to be 9.5 by 5.5 tall, and it's scored at 2 3/4 and 7. So this panel is actually 2 3/4, and this panel is 2.5 inches. So your larger panel is the one that you're going to want on top and on your left panel. So we're going to start stamping this. So I'm going to put this into my stamp positioner, and you're going to see from our stamps, they have these little L pieces in the bottom corner, and that's so you can align your image. So I'm going to take my little stamp, and I'm going to push it right up against the corner of that image. Your stamp line should fall right against, basically very close to the side of the card. So if you ever have any issues, I kind of loosely place my stamp so that it's right in the right place. Move this back, move it up. All right, looks good. So from there, I just close my stamp positioner, and I'm just going to stamp the main image. The L is only on the stamp for your positioning, so it's not made to be inked for your alignment. Just position that down onto the card base. Like so. All right, we'll go on to our other side for stamping. And the reason I'm using the middle of my stamp platform, I'm not going all the way to the edge, is because since your stamp does have that corner, it hangs a little bit beyond the edge of your paper. And so you don't want that edge of your stamp platform interfering. So I'm going to take my other panel. Oops, let's remove this guy. Into the right place for the card. Perfect. Now from there, you have matching dies that align with your images. So these images, you see right and left, and they have these matching dies that go right around the images and are made to cut off to the edge of your card. This one has the heart. Actually, they each have a little heart in this line for the opening. Just line that up. The cut line's right on the edge, so you can just line this up. And run this through your die cut machine. So I've got those pieces die cut. You can see I just peel that off so it reveals the opening. Sometimes you might catch an edge on one of these. I'm just going to grab some scissors, give it a quick snip, just so that it perfectly meets that edge. So then your image just folds together and you can see how they overlap. And your hearts come to a point and you're able to twist these little pieces together so that they interlock. So I'm going to color up this guy and finish the card to show you the completed image. Alright, so I colored up my little elephant, so both of them. And this actually, the way that the card base is created, it creates an A2 card. And so I just created a little A2 mat to put on the inside. Just put some glue on this. Just fit it right into the inside panel. So it gives it a nice backdrop behind my little elephants. You could always ink around your heart, so you could always do some ink blending to really accentuate this heart. You could also cut down around your elephant if you'd like to, but they look just so cute. And for the final touch, I'm going to put our sentiment right on the inside. So I'm just going to take my stamp platform. And just fit this into the corner. Make sure my text is straight. I love that about having grid. Stamp positioners. Thanks a ton, you're unforgettable. And it's just covered up behind that little heart. A perfect little cute interactive card to send to a friend.